1 tutorial for Python programming to discuss Matplotlib by your assistant professor Rajas Brahmanian from Kalasingam Academy of Research and Education. And here we will discuss how to use a Matplotlib package to draw different types of charts for our cricket data set. Initially, I'll go into bar chart drawing. Now I want a data set to be imported, so I will use import pandas as PD. Then I want matplotlib.pyplot. This matplotlib.pyplot is actually a package which will have many kinds of charts available for visualization in Python programming. Like pandas being used for data analytics, matplotlib.pyplot has dedicated himself to visualization techniques. There are many visualizations which are not imaginable. So many galleries are there available inside Matplotlib. We will see a very few for initial starting stages. Similarly, I have used a database pd.read_csv to read a cricket dataset. Then I am having an index to represent my rows. I have an index db.index is equal to int to substitute my auto-generated index with the index what I have generated. Now we will go into the code on how the bar chart will look, right? So the code is very simple. My matplotlib.pyplot is be named as plt. So plt.bar will be used to generate my bar chart. So whenever you say bar chart, it is actually a two-dimensional chart which will actually have an x-axis as well as a y-axis. Now I will give my x-axis as my index db.index, which is p1, p2, p3, p4. And my y-axis is going to be dB of force, the number of force hit by the batsman. You see the previous videos, our data set is this cricket data set, which will have the number of force hit by each player, right? This I am going to plot in bar chart. And I want to align everything in the center. So for in every axis point, I will have my bars will be in the center. And what is alpha? Alpha is actually used to depict the transparency in my chart. Its value ranges from 0 to 1. So it will say transparency or thickness of my chart in the compiler console, right? And what will be my X label? My X label should be player index because I was given like that. And then the Y label, I'll give it as number of force. In X axis, it will be named as player index. And in Y axis, it will be named as number of force. And I can also give the title for my bar chart. My title is force hit by the players. And after all, I'll give plot.show. This plot.show will show the graph and everything. We also have something called as plot.save, which is used to save my bar chart automatically by using Python. Now we will run this program and see how our bar chart is going to look. Yes, this is our bar chart. For every values in our data sets, we have given bar chart here. You will see that it is actually in blue, so default color can be the blue. You can also change the color by using the parameter color is equal to in the bar chart itself. See, the player index is in the x-axis x label, and number of force in the y-axis y label, and force hit by the players. It is going to be the title of your bar chart, right? And you have option here to save your plots also. Yes. Thank you.